We are going to talk about best SEO practice, client side versus server side redirects. Let's get started. So server side redirects, we already, most of the people know about it, that 301 or 302 we use. 301 we use for permanent redirect and 302 we use for temporary redirect. 307 and 308 are also same. I mean, if you are using 307, that means you are using 302, both are the same thing. And if you are using 308, that means you are using 301. So these are the traditional redirects we generally use, but most of the people don't know the client side redirects. So when we use server side redirects, so there are some pros, advantage we can say. So preserves link equity, that means link juice. So it passes the 100% link juice. Search engines also follow and rely on them. This is faster and more transparent to bots. Work regardless of the user's browser or JavaScript. And use cases, when you change domain name or change URL or redirect HTTP to HTTPS, we use it. So this is very common in SEO, that how to use 301 and what is 301. But let's talk about client side redirects. So there are two type of client side redirects, meta refresh and second is JavaScript redirects. So meta refresh is when we redirect page after some time, I mean 2-3 seconds. For example, we use this meta refresh tag in head section, and here you can see content 0, that means trigger as soon as the page is loaded. So it will load the page, not much time, it will take not much time. And when you use, suppose we use 3, that means it will take 3 seconds. So sometimes we use, Google also support it, but it is not recommended. We should use it if it is necessary. Same with JavaScript redirects. Google only understand location href redirects, but it is not recommended. If it is mandatory, there is no scope of using server side redirects, then we can use it. So there is no guarantee of pass link juice. Many people say this can be ignored or delayed. So this is still a not surety about it, that it pass or not. But Google say that yes, we pass link juice in every case, but it can delay these redirects because it's a part of rendering. So when Google crawl and render the page, it has some difference, so it might delay your redirects. So can create a poor user experience. Yes, of course, if it will take 2-3 seconds to redirect, it might impact the user experience, less reliable. And use cases, single page application we use, Node.js, AngularJS, I guess. So where server side routing is not possible, so we use JS redirection. Situations where server access configuration is not available, the same thing. So now point is, suppose we are using JavaScript redirects, so in that case Google will support. Yes, it will support, definitely support. In 2019, Google launched Evergreen Google Bot. That means Google will use latest Chromium browser. Suppose currently it's running 135 or 136 Chrome version. So Google also update our Google Bot automatically over the time. So Google Bot are also using the latest version. So latest Chrome versions supports any kind of redirects, JavaScript, Node.js, AngularJS, everything. So that's why Google is able to detect them. There is a great YouTube video by John Mueller you can watch. I will put this link in the description. So point is, if it supports, I mean Google supports, but you should avoid this. And delay is possible. Link juice, there is no guarantee. I mean nobody is sure in SEO expert community, but best practice is traditional and we can say server side redirects. So hope this is clear. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any query you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.